jumped it. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, son. So today, man, today, it's also like, it's kind of, let's see, how can I put this? You remember the BK video that we had done, right? Gas, right? Y'all better have, look, if y'all haven't made that joint yet, bro, I made that joint 3 times, bro. Why have you not made it yet, bro? Why have you not made it yet, bro? I'm just kidding. So, I don't know if it's gonna be in the threshold of short and sweet or what's it talking like, but we're gonna put it all together. You feel me? So what we doing today, man? We're gonna recreate something in Sims 4, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm I'm a gamer, but you probably wouldn't expect me to play Sims. Probably some people are like, nah, bro. Nah, bro, I can see your ass playing Sims, bro, with your corny But, yeah, bro, I'm high-key like a simmer. You feel me? I think that's what they call it. Simmers? Simmer? Whatever, I play Sims, right? And so, like, you know, I was never always a Sim person, you know what I'm saying? My homeboy D put me on this joint like years ago, and then little did he knew he created a monster, bro. Because like I was like, oh yeah, it's kind of cool, you know what I'm saying? But then I actually started diving into it, bro, and I was like, yo, why am I addicted to this game? So like, yeah, bro, I wound up getting expansion packs on top of expansion packs, bro. Recently, I had got back into it, right? And, you know what I'm saying? And I was watching my boy do his stuff, Dizzle, and you know what I'm saying, order some food, and I saw this pizza, right? Tiki Masala pizza or something like that. I can't necessarily remember, but yes, this pizza, bro. And I was like, bro, I wonder if I can make that, and that's what we're doing today, son. Cause my man be smacking on it, and I want to see what that joint tastes like, bro. Like, I want to see why my man be like, yo, I want some pizza right now. Like, high key, that'd be me though. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's what we doing today, man. So go ahead and lock in, and you about to be tapping in. You feel me? So. What else? My lion. Look at my little lion. You know what I'm saying? So little do y'all know, this dude is like he's like the son of a lion that my dog killed. Y'all don't care? Okay, so play my shit. Wait. I said play my stuff. That ain't it. So I want y'all. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Where's my line? I had to retrieve Mr. Your daddy was named Mufasa. I had to retrieve Simba, okay, for this. That wasn't my intro, bro. What I said was play my shit. Step we need to do, right? You know what I'm saying? You need to clean it first, you know what I'm saying? Wash the chicken, and then once we do that, right, we're gonna get our chicken cut up in like 1.5 inch, right? So once you get done doing that, cutting up your chicken, that's where you want to go ahead and start seasoning. So what I use is a little bit of salt, and after I get done using my salt, I start throwing some onion powder, and then once I get done with that, I throw a little bit of turmeric in it, you know what I'm saying? Then after that, add some garlic powder, you know what I'm saying? But I forgot to record this part, but you also want to add yellow curry powder to it too, you know what I mean? But besides that, you want to add smoked paprika and some regular paprika too as well, you know what I'm saying? So after you get done, add a little bit of olive oil, mix it up, and let it like sit there for a little bit. And once you let it rest for a little bit, man, so we're just gonna throw it in the pan. We're gonna lightly cook it. We're looking for a sear, so probably about like 1 to 2 minutes on each side, and we're gonna let it finish it in the oven to get nice and tender, you know what I'm saying? So after that, you're going to set it to the side, let it rest for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And then so you're gonna watch me struggle to cut this onion with this dull ass knife though, you feel me? So the reason why I'm using the onions is because I feel like this pizza deserves caramelized onions. I don't know, just look what I have it, you know what I mean? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mince the onion, you know what I'm saying? So I learned a little trick how to get the most fine onions. So you just peel them apart and start like separating them and then cut them there. But if you don't want to do that, just get some store-bought onions, you know? So we go ahead and saute our onions, throw some masala on, and there you go though, you feel me? So after that, we are making our dough because that's gonna take the longest out the whole process. You're gonna need to knead it and let it rest, then knead it a little bit more, then let it rest some more, and then cook it, you feel me? So the first thing you wanna do with your dough is you get about 2 cups of flour, and I got a little mixture with the flour, just salt and sugar though, you feel me? So once you get done pouring your thing, you just wanna like mix it up, let them get real familiar with each other though, you feel me? And after a couple minutes of stirring, that's when you're gonna add your yeast to it. I got like a pizza yeast or something, but you just get after dry, but let that mix up for a little bit. Then you wanna go ahead and add about like 1.5 cups of water, warm water, you know what I'm saying? And then I saw a little trick where you can add like dry basils to it, so I decided to add that, you know what I'm saying? Now here comes the hard part, trying to explain to y'all how to knead dough, you know what I'm saying? So what you want to do is throw a little bit of flour as your surface, you know, and throw a little bit on your hands so it won't be sticking on it. And so I guess the process is just kind of like rolling it and forming it as a ball with your palm of your hand, if that makes any sense. This is more so getting the feel of it, but you'll get it eventually. But once you get done doing that, you want to get yourself a little grease bowl and throw it in there, you know what I'm saying? And set it to room temperature. And if you do need a little trick about room temperature, check out the last video. But so once you get done kneading your dough, it's gonna need to like chill out for a little bit, right? So while it's resting, we might also start working on our sauce. So honestly, the sauce really just contains the same components as in marinara. So pretty much, bro, we're gonna stew our tomatoes. That's for a good substitute from canned tomatoes though, you feel me? So once you get done doing that, you wanna throw your tomatoes in an ice bath. That's for they won't overcook, you know what I'm saying? So after that, you just wanna go ahead and peel off the skin. I really enjoy this technique. It really brings the freshness in the food, you know what I'm saying? So after you're doing that, take the core out and throw it in a pan, and that's when you want to add Marsala cooking wine, tomato paste, dry basil, and a poachy blend or something like that. So after that, throw it in a blender, blend it up, add some heavy cream, then boom, bada bing, this what you get, bro. So pretty much this is what it looks like. So now that we just got done with our sauce, right? So now it's been a solid amount of time for our dough to rest and rise up. So after that, that's when you're gonna go ahead and pull your dough back out, you know what I'm saying? So pretty much now is all we gotta do is form it back up and cut it in portions. So pretty much the same process. So after you get done doing that, bro, you just wanna go ahead and portion out, you know what I'm saying? So I don't actually have a weigher, so I don't know how big this thing is, but I wanted to double the size because I like thick crust, you feel me? But after that, you wanna go ahead and roll that baby out, but y'all ain't gonna see my ghetto way of doing it because my thing broke. So we're gonna move past that, dog. So once you get done rolling out your dough, throw it on the pan and add your sauce. So I had a last minute idea to make my bread stuffed crust, you know. You don't have to do this literally at all. I just decided to be extra for once though, you know. And plus when I look at the picture of the pizza, it looked like it got a little bit of stuffing inside of it. So I just decided to stuff it. So what you want to do is, man, you add your cheese, roll the bread on top, you know what I'm saying? And boom, bada bing, you got stuffed crust. But a cool little trick that I learned is get like a fork and kind of like press down on your dough to make sure you really seal it, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm adding on top of here too is some peppers that I had left over from my breakfast that morning. I just figured why not? I mean, it's a pizza and pizza had peppers though, you know? So after you get done doing that, add like 2 layers of cheese and then add our caramelized onions on top. And plus, we're gonna add like a generous amount of our chicken, and there you go. This is our pizza, you know what I'm saying? So after you're done doing that, you just want to go ahead and butter up your toast, you know? And what do I mean by toast is, I mean your crust. I don't know what my dumbass decided to say that, but we're gonna let it slide, alright? So after you get done doing that, man, I just decided to throw a little bit of herbs on top, but I don't know why I did that, because this one no getting burnt, but it is what it is, bro. It still look pretty good though, you feel me? We back, son. So, yeah, so again, excuse the freaking, like, you know what I'm saying, the little pop-ins, you feel me? I just don't be fully set up my lights, you know? I got a lot, you feel me? But this is how we looking, bro. Let's see if we get it in focus. Yes, sir, cuz. Yes, sir. So, I ain't gonna lie, I'm hungry. So, let's go ahead and dive up in here. Bro. Oh, snap, yo. Dog, this is fire, bro. Like, I mean, it's kind of obvious, but they kind of just taste like chicken masala, but in a pizza form, bro. Like that sauce. Look at it. Look at that. It was cooler. It cooled down, okay? But and the dough, it's pretty good, bro. Actually. I was a little nervous, low key, just because of like the dry basil. Not actually, but I don't know, bro. It's pretty good though. Dog, that sauce and the chicken, dog. Bro, we should have this in our regular pizza spots, honestly. I might mess around and eat the whole thing tonight, bro. Honestly, but. Bro, this chicken too, bro. Let's shout out to the chicken. The chicken is so freaking tender, bro. Bro, let me end it, bro, because I'm about to be sitting here smacking. I appreciate y'all for checking in, tapping in, you feel me? I definitely gotta make this. Shout out to Sims, you feel me? They even got, honestly, I'm gonna put a link down below. They even got their own website up there too, actually. I didn't know that, you know what I'm saying? Didn't know they had their own little website to show you like how to make their own meals, you know? Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. You check out the next video. So I'll see y'all to the very next episode.